guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about Ecotone. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. And Ecotone is a transitional zone or junction zone that acts as a boundary between two ecosystems. Suppose here we have a forest. Okay, so animals and plants of this forest belong to the forest ecosystem, right? And here we have a lake. This is the lake just beside this forest. Again, lake has a separate ecosystem. So it contains fishes, plants, insects, etc. That means these two ecosystems are totally different. Now, in between this forest and lake, we have a boundary, right? This is the boundary. And that boundary is called ecotone. Okay. So, let's talk about the characteristics of ecotone. So, sometimes the boundary between two ecosystems may be very sharp, such as one between a forest and a lake. So it is very small, right? So we can see it. This is the forest ecosystem 1, and here it is the lake ecosystem 2. So this is the boundary, that is the ecotone, and this is very small, right? So it could be like that, or it could be gradual. So gradual means ecotone that is present between a forest and a grassland. So here we have the forest, it has ecosystem 1. We have the grassland that contains ecosystem 2, and in between the forest and grassland we have the ecotone, right? So it is gradual because forest does not end suddenly, right? It gets thinner like this, like in the ecotone. So then grassland starts. So in this ecotone, you will get some forest trees still present along with the grasses, etc. Okay. Next, it may be narrow or wide. So that we have seen. So ecotone between the forest and lake. So it is narrow, whereas ecotone between forest and grassland is wide. Okay. So next is it harbors a community. So it is called an ecotonal community, which includes organisms of each of the overlapping communities, and in addition organisms specific to it. So let's see one example. Okay. So in forest, number of animals survive, right? All of them come to this ecotone to drink water. Again, in lakes you will get fishes, frogs, turtles, etc. Now, frogs and turtles come to this ecotone. So these are overlapping communities because you will get them in forest and ecotone or lake and ecotone because they are present in both the areas. But some plants are specific. They are very much specific who grow only in this ecotone area. Okay. So next, generally the variation of species and their number are greater in the ecotone than in the ecosystems flanking it. This is called the age effect. The species found here are called age species. See, this is very obvious because in ecotone you will get lots of overlapping species compared to either of the two ecosystems. Ecotones can be created by two ways, such as natural and man-made. If man settles in a forest, he reduces the forests to scattered small areas and he will create some agricultural fields, grasslands, etc. So these are some artificial ecotones which are man-made. Let's talk about the importance of ecotone. So it has a large variety of species of flora and fauna. It provides a natural habitat for many organisms. It serves as a great platform of gene flow from one ecosystem to another.